Perfect.
Welcome everybody to the channel. This is AndreJMcClendon coming at you guys with a new video series. This is going to be technology and how to get involved with it, with investing, and also use of the product. So for this week, I'm going to be going over hoverboards and hovercrafts, kind of like hover bikes, my bad. Going over hover bikes and how to get involved with it. I always wanted a hover bike when I was younger. Even now, I would love to get one instead of driving around in Vegas traffic or in traffic in general and be able to fly around. So let's jump it on. I'm on YouTube and let's go. So I found this really cool video from Tech 560, and just to go over how they're doing like their hoverboards over 2019, how they're available. So let's go over some of the quick ones. Just show you like there is technology out there for hover bikes, hoverboards, and you know, we're on the cusp. We're on the very beginning of it, and I like that. I like to see the beginnings. I can see some of the results and see how I can be involved and how I can actually use one. I would love to have one of these. And some of the ones I really want to go into will be 3 primary ones, and these are all part of the video, except for this one. I won't be going over this one at all. So our first one is called the Scorpion 3. Now the Scorpion 3 looks amazing. Like I've seen other videos where they use it in sports. They're currently using it for police, I forgot where, but basically this hover bike looks very easy to use. Seems like a very comfortable sit, and something that'd be really nice to actually try myself. I would love to have one of these around, just to fly around, just go to the shop, go to the store, go shopping, bring this out. It doesn't seem like it's too difficult to use. I just wonder what kind of license would you have to get to fly one of these. But it doesn't seem hard to use also, like I was saying, but let's jump into their website. So the website is called hoversurf.com. You can look at some of their technologies, look at their bike performances and how it actually use and some other stuff they have. So some of the other concepts they have. So look at this. I love seeing getting on the edge of getting to the beginning of technology. You can also get some really good gains, especially if they IPO, or not saying specifically this company, but just companies in general, this new technologies. Our next one is called the Aero X bike. Now this one looks very clean, like very easy to use. All right, jump to the very beginning of the video. Like this one, I was watching it, I'm like, wow, I would love to have one of these. Something like this would be so different, just to be flying around. Something like this, just to take the edge off, you know. Just be like, wow, I can drive this and actually fly this. Maybe you need a license, maybe not, but it's definitely something to get into. And the use of it, like, it seems like it's an easier use to fly around than the previous Scorpion 3. But visually look at it. But here's the website. It's called aerofex.com. You can look at their bike, different platforms, specifications, and different uses. I mean, if you want to contact them, and see if they're looking for investors or looking at how you can be involved with it. Now, our last one is called Hoverbike. Now, this one is how I got put on to the hoverbike scene. Now, hoverbike is really cool because it looks like it's kind of like a motorcycle. And I'll take you guys to their home website. Here's their drone that they have. They have a full-scale model, just testing out this drone. And give me a second. Let me see the other website here. And look at that. I like how they have the application of delivery, stuff like that. And also, where's their full-scale size? Like, look at that. That looks very beautiful. Love to fly one of those. But, alright guys, I'm going to pause the video real quick and take you to the guys' their website. Give me 1 second. Hover bike. Should be the first one. Here you go. Alright guys, we're loading up. Alright, we have loaded up. Here's their website, hoverbike like.com. And if you want to contact them, just click investors, send them an email, see how you get part of it. They are a little slow when it comes to responding back, but overall, it looks like something really fun to get into. So guys, this is my technology review and update for you guys out there. So what do you guys think? Drop a like, subscribe, and comment below to tell me what you guys think about this. I'll be doing this once a week, going over technology or really cool inventions or things coming out. They'd love to get on the insiders to get, become one of the first investors and get on and basically get some good gains from it. So thank you guys for making it to the end of the video, and have a nice day. I'll see you.